Halbred, why spend time folding your bike in half when you can just jump on half a bike and ride? A unique last-mile solution. The German-designed Halbred packs the two wheels, pedals, and handlebars of a bicycle on a re-engineered rear triangle. The bike features a 2-speed drivetrain and a coaster brake. It has a 90 cm turning radius and can stand by balancing the front wheel and pedal. At 99 cm high by 79 cm long and just under at 9 kilograms, the Halbred is designed to be easy to pick up and carry, perfect for taking on a train or inside an office. Its compact size also makes it easier to store than a full-sized bike. It's not quite as light as the lightest folding bikes we've covered, clearly aimed at the ever-growing personal urban mobility market. The Halbred is a simpler commuter bicycle that looks perfect for the smallest city apartment and tiny houses. To ride the super compact bike, you sit on the saddle, grab hold of the handlebars that run below the saddle. Art bike. An art bike is any human-powered, multi-wheeled cycle or contraption that may be ridden or moved. The art bike may be created using the standard bike form, or an original creation of any modification thereof. Modifications may be minimal or completely transformational, with materials including but not limited to paint, metal, sculpture, foam, wood, and embellishments such as buttons, coins, toys, or any materials that you can glue on. Art bikes can come in all shapes and sizes, from one-wheeled unicycles to multi-wheeled contraptions, chariots, wagons, wheelchairs, wheeled sculptures, performances on wheels, adult tricycles, human-powered dune buggies, pedal couches, just about anything you can imagine. Hubbless Bike. When you have a bike that looks as good as this one, you have to be sure it won't be stolen. This unique all-black e-bike is finally ready for riders after 4 years of development, and the finished product is a hubless ride with spokeless wheels and a fingerprint reader on the handlebars to keep it safe and secure. The bike can also be tracked via GPS and has built-in 800 lumen LED lighting on each wheel along with an ambient light sensor that detects darkness and automatically turns on the headlamp and tail light. It's powered by a 48V battery that charges in 3 hours with a 750-watt engine on the American version and a 250-watt engine for the Euro market. A major design departure for the Revo is its hubless 650B wheel design, rated for maximum rider weight of 120 kilograms with an empty space, where the traditional hub and spoke wheel would be. Instead, the rear wheel is driven by a Revo eDrive 750-watt motor controlled by a handlebar throttle fed by a lithium-ion 10.5Ah 48-volt battery, and speed limited to 40 km per hour, with charging time claimed to be 3 hours, giving a range of about 60 km. Rider conveniences include a detachable battery pack for remote charging, maintenance-free drivetrain, and dashboard cradle to mount the rider's smartphone. A unique feature of the Revo's hubless design is the rider can mount a small carrier bag inside the wheel using the provided attachment points. Square-wheeled tricycle. The square-wheeled tricycle is an iconic exhibit at MoMath, where the visitor can ride a tricycle with square wheels on circles over a special track so that the ride is smooth. 2 tricycles with square wheels ride on a circular track made of inverted catenaries. The 3 wheels of the tricycle have different sizes, depending on the distance between the wheel and the center of the circle track. The front wheel of the tricycle has pedals that the visitor can use to power the vehicle. The 2 rear wheels are connected through a gearbox, which makes the 2 axles of the wheels parallel, and to lock the wheels together, keeping them in sync. Visitors delight in taking a smooth ride on a vehicle with square wheels. The 2 trikes are very different in size, allowing for large adults and small children to participate. The 2 trikes, which can be ridden simultaneously, move in opposite directions, creating a carnival-like movement. Friends and family members spontaneously high-five each other as the trikes pass through the same section of the track. A square wheel with the axis of rotation at its center can rotate over a special track, making the rotation axis stay at constant height. In order to achieve this, the track must have the shape of a sequence of inverted catenaries with appropriate size. This is also the shape one gets when one lets a chain or a string droop between 2 endpoints. The difference in wheel sizes provides an opportunity to discuss the relationship between the radius of the wheel's path and its circumference. The square-wheeled tricycle is based on the work of Stan Wagon, a mathematics professor at Macalester College. Stan Wagon's vehicle rides on a straight track, requiring the trike to be stopped and reversed at the end of the track. MoMath's circular track provides continuous movement with no resetting needed. LFN Bike. Quirky vehicles like the Bionic Runner may offer a different take on pedal power, but the fact none has made much of an impact on the bicycle market hasn't stopped a Texas-based team from coming up with yet another pedal system. The LFN Bike combines a vertical pedal drivetrain with electric power for a totally unique way to get your legs pumping on 2 wheels. At the core of LFN Bike's approach is its unique riding position, designed to keep your body nice and straight. The bike has upright handlebars and standing pedals that are reminiscent of an indoor stair machine. The standing pedals move up and down on a stainless steel slide bar with a travel of 51 centimeters and connect with the 7-speed cassette on the rear wheels through a patented gearbox mechanism that makes use of industrial gears and bearings. While the team says this means the gearbox should last for years and years, they also recommend getting an extra gearbox as parts won't be. The electric boost comes from a 350-watt front wheel motor drawing on a 48V 10Ah battery, working independently of the pedals. The motor is able to carry you at speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour thanks to a motorbike-style throttle. The bike is also kitted out with an LED display, giving riders control over their electric boost level, as well as offering up a 6 kilometers per hour cruise function. NuBike. Eye-catching NuBike goes with drive levers instead of a chain. Probably ever since bicycles were first invented, people have been looking for alternatives to the traditional approach of pedaling in circle. Los Angeles-based inventor Roger Parker has utilized one such alternative in his NuBike, which he claims is more efficient than a chain drive bike, along with its unique-looking carbon fiber frame. What really stands out on the NuBike are the levers that run from the pedals to a linkage on the rear hub. These allow riders to simply push up and down on the pedals, causing the rear wheel to turn. There are reportedly a number of advantages to this setup. Additionally, the lever drive system is said to be easier on the hips, knees, and ankles, plus it doesn't require users to pull an oily chain out of the way when removing the rear wheel. And yes, it does allow for multiple gears. The current road bike prototype has 4, although Roger tells us that future lower-priced models will have fewer. The prototype weighs 10 kilograms. By replacing the current 70-75 aluminum levers with ones made of magnesium, along with making some other changes, it is hoped that the final commercial model will tip the scales at 8 kilograms. If you're interested in getting a NuBike of your own, it's currently the subject of a Kickstarter campaign. Assuming it reaches production, a pledge of US $3,600 will get you a sub 1.4 kilograms frame and drivetrain, to which you can add conventional components of your choice. The planned retail price for that package is $3,800. AQUAFUNNY Water Tricycle, designed and manufactured in the USA. The AquaCycle water trikes, with its 3 large, colorful wheels and signature design, are known the world over as the most popular human-powered water toy available. As a result, adults and children enjoy safe, stable, and smooth rides on virtually any body of salt water or freshwater. 3 wheels, wide paddles, and flexible steering make AquaCycles easy to control, therefore no special lessons or extra equipment is necessary. The water bike is very stable thanks to the 3 wheels and can be pedaled by 1 or 2 passengers. The water bike is simple to use and allows everyone to enjoy the water in a completely new and ecological way. It is quiet and completely emission-free. Adults and children can enjoy pedaling on the water easily and safely. The best combination of fun and exercise to enjoy your holidays.